Hello YouTube, another unboxing. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the pulley to my new power steering pump I just bought. Now, only reason I got this is because if when I take my car to the shop and they put the power steering on there, they're gonna have to get a puller, and pull the original pulley off of the original power steering pump, and then put it on the new one. And so this will save a little trouble. Besides, it's new, so I just mount this onto the power steering pump and put it on instead of going through the trouble of taking the power steering off, pulling the original pulley off, and then swapping it over to the new one. More packages are coming. When they come, I'll make videos, and I'm going to make some videos hopefully this weekend of me installing some of this stuff I just bought. Until then, I'll see you.